name is Humaira Faraz and I am Assistant Professor in the Department of English, Yale University, Islamabad. Nowadays, I'm attending one training and workshop, which is 4-day technology training in ELT and is organized by Dr. Sadia, the main organizer. Although this is the part of the project of NRPU, where novice teachers are being trained for integrating technology in their classrooms, but being the lucky person that I also took benefits out of it, that how technology can be used in classrooms as well as in your planning lessons and exhibiting lessons, implementing them, how you can use different tools in teaching English language. The session which was conducted by Dr. Akifa was really interesting and eye-opener for me. The Department of English has made a good maneuver and step for integrating this technology into the ELT classrooms, because it is quite, technology itself is a ubiquitous phenomena and is so pervasive that if we are not going to accept it, if we are not going to implement it and follow it or integrate into our not only lives but in classroom, we will not be able to survive. So first, if you want to survive as a fittest person in English language teaching, you have to adopt these methods. Thank you very much.